We are here at CHINT Electric stall. So let's start the interview. Can you please provide an overview of CHINT India and its operation in India?
So we are global leaders in electrical and automation field. So we started our journey globally from 1984, and in India we started our operations from 2005 onwards. So as long as CHINT is concerned, as I said, we are into multiple sectors, which include the end-to-end electricals, from low voltage to high voltage to extra high voltage. We say grid-to-chip solutions. So apart from electricals, we are also into automation. We are also into the solar. This has already been implemented in India. So from innovation perspective, I think CHINT is one of a few players who are already offering these solutions in high voltage, high operational voltage of AC as well as DC. So from innovation perspective, yes, CHINT is always forefronting in terms of developments, in terms of innovation, in terms of what the futuristic solution is, what customer is looking forward to. Yes.
So how does CHINT India ensures quality and reliability of its product and service?
We do like to prefer the most quality product, and to maintain that we have very skilled workers with us, and apart from the workers we also have the automated production system, so there are the chances of error can be null and void. So in each and every production line, I am not talking about the MCB, MCCB or any ABCD particular products. In the complete range of the product, we have the separate skilled workers product into the market. Before that, we do all the tests as per the IC standard or the local standards. Like in India, we used to prefer the NABL and BIS. So these are the certification we used to do before providing the product into the market. So these are some of the strategies we following to maintain our product quality.
Is there any new development in your product line?
Yes, definitely. As mentioned by Mr. Nithin, that the upcoming market is for the green energy, and the green is always related to the renewable energy, that is solar. So we have our products which is having the capacity not only up to 800 volt AC but also the 1140 volt AC. Similarly, to add on into this, we also have the high voltage of 1500 volt DC solution for the solar segment. So, whenever we are talking about the new technology, it's all about the renewable energy what we can provide into the market. So, we have the complete range of the product to cater this market.
What are your future plans and targets for CHINT in Indian market?
So India for us is always a big market for CHINT globally. I think, as you all know, like in Asia Pacific, I think after China, India is the biggest market. So we do have our own plans for Indian market, and we are expanding in a big ways for Indian market to cater the Indian customers. So Indian customers always relies on majorly three things. One is the product quality, the services, after sales services, and the material availability. So from all these perspective, CHINT, we have all the plans lined up for Indian market. So we want to be very close to our customers, so the customers can be rest assured with the product availability from the service aspects as well as the quality of product. As Mr. Alok already mentioned about the quality process that we follow, we have a very stringent quality process that we follow in our factory, right from the factory testing, even the third-party testing on our products. So from all this perspective, yes, we are adding a lot of values for the Indian customers, and we keep doing it in a bigger way going forward in coming days.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. Thank you.